And okay, hello again, K2. Hi. Welcome back. Welcome to our science. Hello, Shane, Nicha, Item, and Kapau. Okay. Hello, are you ready for our science? Our subject now is science. Are you ready? Okay. You know what? You know how to answer this. You know how to answer, right? Okay. In order for us to be very, very ready, I want you to answer this one. Are you ready? Are you ready? Very good. Are you ready? Okay. Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Hep, hep.
Hooray!
Okay. Again. Are you ready? Are you ready? Hep, hep. Hep, hep. Okay, so you are very ready. Okay, now let us start now. Okay, I prepared this one for you. Okay. We are in our science now, and let us talk about insects. For this time, I want you to identify this different. We have many different types of. Answer this one. Okay, what is this?
And.
Okay, you can see this one. This one is an ant. Okay, what is this? Okay. Okay, how about this one? What is this? Bee. This one is a bee. Okay, have you seen this one? Bee. Okay. How about this? Yes, beetle. Okay. Beetle. Okay, now look at here.
Butterfly.
Okay, you have to don't forget the animal dancing names, okay? Because I have many questions after this one. Okay, what is this? Butterfly. Very good.
Cricket.
How about this? Cricket. Okay, cricket. Okay, how about
Dragonfly.
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 Okay. Dragonfly. And how
Fly.
about this? You have to read, okay? You have to read. Item, Kapau, Shane and Nicha, you have to read, okay?
Grasshopper.
Yes, grasshopper. Okay. Very good. And how about this one?
Ladybird.
Ladybird. Okay. Ladybird. Kapau, item. You have to read. Item, read this one. What is this item? Ladybird. Okay. Yes, very good.
Mosquito.
And how about this one?
Mosquito.
What is this? Mosquito. Item. Mosquito. Okay. Mosquito. And how about this one? Okay, wow. Okay. Okay, look at here. Okay. Don't forget that ethnic names, okay? And now I will add another one. Okay, I will go to this one.
Wasp.
Okay, let us go to. Okay, let us go to this one. Okay, except. Then I will go to.
Okay.
Okay, this one. Okay, let's go to this one. In the garden. Let's talk about the garden, okay? Okay, now you have to answer this one. What is this? What is this? This one. You know what is this? A, C, D. Or is it an ant, grasshopper, butterfly, or bee? Answer here is? So what is this?
Watch มันค้างปะ
Teacher.
ทำไมเห็นแค่คนเดียว
Is it an ant? This one is an ant. Okay.
Butterfly.
This one is ant. Okay. This is an ant. Okay. This one ant. Letter E. The correct answer is letter E. Okay. Now let's go to this one. What is this? What is this? Ant, grasshopper, butterfly, or bee?
Teacher. Excuse me, please.
Is it Sonia?
I cannot see your PowerPoint.
You cannot see it?
Yes.
Oh, just a minute, just a minute.
มันค้าง
Oh, just a minute. You can see now?
Butterfly.
You can see now?
Yes.
Okay. I'm sorry, I don't know. Okay, now I will double check again. Okay, now it's okay, it's sharing. Okay, now let's go to this one. Wait, where is it? Wait, it's freezing. Okay, sorry, just a minute. Okay. Now let us continue to this. Okay, have you seen now? You see now, right? You see the PowerPoint now? Okay, this one is butterfly. Okay. This one is butterfly. Now let's go to this one.
นี่ล่ะ
What is this? Is it A? B?
B
Yes, the answer is B. Okay. B. Okay, put it here. Okay, and how about this one? What is this?
นี่ล่ะอันนี้ล่ะแล้วก็แปลง
Is
อะ
it
ไร
A, I, B, grasshopper, C, butterfly, D, B? Answer is grasshopper. Very good.
แล้วต่อไปดีอะไร
And now let's go to this one. What is this?
นี่อะไรแค่เดือนอ่ะ
What is this? A ladybug, snail, spider, or worm? One is the answer is worm. Okay, this one is worm. Okay, worm. Okay. Okay. This one.
นี่อะไร
What is this? Spider. Letter C. Spider. Okay, you are very good. Now let's go to this one. What is
อะไร
this?
สับเขาอะไร
Ladybug, snail, spider, worm. Answer is? Yes, ladybug. Okay? Ladybug. Now let's go to this one.
อะไรหอยทากอะไร
What is this? You know what is this? Snail. Very good. So the answer here is letter B. Snail. Okay. Now let's go to this one. Let us identify the things that we can see in your garden. Okay.
Garden อะไร
Okay. What is that? Shovel.
Garden โฟก
Shovel. Garden rake. Garden fork.
ไม่ใช่ข้อดีดิ
Shovel. This one we call this one as shovel. Okay. Yes. And now how about this one?
นี่ล่ะ
You know what is this?
ข้าว
This
เรีย
is a
ฟ้าดินแม่
shovel.
เร็ว
Okay, very good. And how about this one?
นี่อันนี้ค่ะ
นี่อะไร
You know what is this?
ฟ้าดินอะไร
ดิ้นแบบ
ฟ้าดินว่า
I already give the answer. This one is, if you can see this one in your garden, we call this one as garden rake. Okay, garden rake. Okay. And now how about this one?
ส้มคล้ายๆช้อนส้มไหม
What is that? Is this A? Is it A? Shovel. B. Shovel. C. Garden rake. D. Garden fork. What is that? What is the answer here? What is the answer? Garden. Garden. Garden fork. Okay, have you seen this one? It looks like fork.
ประเด็น
Okay.
โฟ
Garden fork. Now let's go to this one. What is this?
นี่คืออะไรสายยาง
A. Gardening hose. Wheelbarrow. Lawn mower. Or gardening gloves.
ลองเดาดูไปเลยลองเดาดูสิ
A. B. C. D. A. Yes, very good. Gardening hose.
ประเด็นโห
Okay, very good chain. Okay, now let's go to this one. How about this one? What is that?
ง่ายเลย
ตลอดเลยนะถุงมืออะไรนะ
Gardening hose. Is it A? Gardening hose. B. Wheelbarrow. C. Lawn mower. And D. Gardening gloves.
มาใส่เอ็ดดี้
What is the answer? A, B, C, D.
อืม
E. Gardening. Can you read this?
มีเยอะแล้วจริงไม่เยอะ
Gardening gloves. Gardening gloves. Okay? Okay, this is the answer. Gardening gloves. Have you seen this one? This is gloves. Okay? How about this one? What is that? You know what is that?
อันนี้มันอันหนึ่ง
Is it gardening hose, wheelbarrow, lawn mower, or gardening gloves? The answer here is, this one is lawn mower, okay? Okay, we are using this one when we go gardening, okay? When we go gardening. And in your garden, you can see many kinds of insects. That's why you need to identify. Wait, what is this?
สีฟ้าเห็ด
ซีเค็ดเก็ดก็คือ
Okay, this one is
เดียว
the answer is
เยอะมาก
wheelbarrow. Okay, this one is the wheelbarrow. You can see this one in your garden. Okay. Okay. Now let's go to this one. What is this?
สีฟ้าเห็ด
Is it A, flower pot? C, a bee? Yes, seed packets. Okay, this one is seed packet. Okay, the answer here is letter B. Okay, now about this one. What is the answer here?
รดน้ำ
What is this one? What is this? You know what is this? Is it A, flower pot? B, seed packet? C, hole? D, watering can?
ก็คือบัวรดน้ำจริง
Answer here is?
ๆ
What is the answer here? D, very good. Watering can. Watering can. Okay? Okay, and how about this one? You know what is this? You know what is this? Okay, flower pot, seed packets, who, watering can. The answer here is, oh, this is what this is. You can see this one in your garden. Okay, you can see this one in your garden. And how about this? What is this? A, flower pot. B, seed packets. C, hoe. D, watering can. Answer is it A, B, C, or D?
Flower pot.
Flower? Flower pot. Yes, very good. The answer here is flower pot. Okay? Okay, now let's go to this one again. What is this? Can you answer already? What is this again? Okay, very good. And how about this?
Butterfly.
Butterfly. All of you answer now. We will go that we are in the review now. Okay, we are in the review now. All of you answer here. Okay, this one is butterfly. And this one is butterfly. And this one is? What is that? B, very good. Okay, you are very good now. You can identify right away. Now, let's go to this one. What is this? Yes, this one is grasshopper. Okay, Kapao, look at here because I will ask you. Okay, if you can still remember this one. Okay, an item also. Okay, this one is worm. Very good. This one is worm. And how about this? Spider. You are very smart. Okay, spider. Okay. Now this one is spider. Now let's go to this one. Ladybug. You are very good. Yes, this one is ladybug. You can see many different kind of insects. This one is snail. Snail. Okay, you are very good. Now how about this one? You can remember? This one is shovel. Yes, very good. And how about this? This one is? Can you read this one? Yeah. Shovel. And how about this one? Can you read it? Garden rake. Yes, very good. And also item. Okay, garden rake. You have to answer here. This one is? Okay, garden fork. Very good. And how about this one? You know what is this? Can you read it?
Gardening glove.
Gardening gloves. You are very good. Gardening gloves. And how about this one? You know, you remember this one? You know what is this?
Gardening glove.
You have to, can you read it?
Gardening gloves.
Gardening gloves. Very good. Gardening gloves. Okay. Now let's go to this one. You remember this one? This one is?
Mower.
Yes, lawn mower. Okay. Okay, now let's go to this one. You know what is this?
Wheelbarrow.
No,
Yes, will borrow. Yes, very good. Okay, how about this one? You know what it is? You can remember?
See that? See that?
Yes, it's packet. Very good. This one is said packet. Okay. Okay, don't forget this one because I will send a worksheet for this one, okay? I will send worksheet for this one. Don't forget this one. Okay, what is this?
Water.
This one is? Can you read it?
watering can.
Yes, watering can. Nicha?
Watering can.
Yes, and I can.
Watering can.
Okay,
Watering can.
watering can. Okay, and how about this one? This one is? Oh. This one is what? Item?
Oh.
Oh, Papaw? What is it, Papaw? Papaw. Oh, yes, very good. Now let's go to this one. What is this?
Power.
Huh? Remember what is this? Oh, can you read this? Can you read this?
Flower pot.
Flower pot. Okay. Item. What's this? Flower pot. Kapaw. Kapaw. What is this, kapaw?
Power pot.
Okay, very good, Shane. What is this, Shane? Yes, very good. Now let's go to the next. Oh, that is all for today. I hope you can remember all the exits, the different kind of exits that I can show you, and also the gardening tools. Okay, sorry, and also the gardening tools. Okay, so I will give you a worksheet for this one. I will give you a worksheet for this one, so you have to answer, okay? I will send it to your line, okay? And also tomorrow, we will just send you video. So we cannot see you tomorrow, but you have to check our video that we will send for tomorrow, okay? Because we will prepare the school for next week, okay? We're preparing for the opening back again. Okay, so you have to check our video tomorrow, okay? And you have to answer also. I will send you a worksheet for our topic for tomorrow and for this topic, okay? And you have to answer it. So I want to say thank you to all of you. Nisha, Shane, Aida, thank you so much for listening. You are all so smart, okay? And I'm always proud of you. So keep studying, okay? Okay, so this is all for today, and I'll see you again next week. Because tomorrow, I'll see you tomorrow. You have to check our video tomorrow, okay? So thank you, K2. Bye. I want to see your heart sign first. Heart sign, Kapaw, Shane. Bye-bye. I love you. I love you. I love you, Nisha.
I love you.
Thank you, Victoria.
Thank you, sister. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, teacher.